Are you tired of paying high electric bills every month? Do you want to save money on your electric bill without sacrificing your comfort? In this video, we will show you some simple and effective ways to reduce your energy consumption and lower your electric bill. First, let's talk about your appliances. Did you know that your appliances can account for up to 30% of your energy bill? That's why it's important to choose energy-efficient appliances. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label, which means they meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the US Environmental Protection Agency. Another way to save energy is to unplug your appliances when you're not using them. Even when they're turned off, many appliances continue to draw power, which can add up over time. So unplug your TV, computer, and other electronics when you're not using them. Next, let's talk about your lighting. Switching to LED light bulbs can save you a lot of money on your electric bill. LED bulbs use up to 80% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and last up to 25 times longer. So replace your old bulbs with LED bulbs and start saving money today. Another way to save energy is to use natural light whenever possible. Open your curtains and blinds during the day to let in natural light and turn off your lights when you leave a room. Now let's talk about your thermostat. Heating and cooling your home can account for up to 50% of your energy bill. So it's important to use your thermostat wisely. Set your thermostat to a comfortable temperature when you're at home, and turn it down a few degrees when you're awake or sleeping. You can also invest in a programmable thermostat, which can automatically adjust the temperature based on your schedule. Finally, let's talk about your water heater. Your water heater can account for up to 18% of your energy bill. So it's important to use it wisely. Set your water heater to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot enough for most household needs. You can also insulate your water heater in pipes to reduce heat loss. By following these simple tips, you can save money on your electric bill without sacrificing your comfort. So start implementing these changes today and enjoy the savings.